So I gotta admit, I made a little rookie mistake. See, I was supposed to have a vlog out yesterday, but doing some test shots, I ended up deleting everything off of my SIMs card, or my memory card. I don't know why I did that, but hey, just gotta do it again. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know who I am, then you'll probably find out. Now, I did this video about 5 or 6 times and before I get it right. But sorry, I'm a little under the weather right now. The weather been going kind of crazy out here, but if you like cars, you'll probably like my page. I have a 2012 Cadillac cts-v, customized a little bit, 20-inch Volsens. Have a little bit of work under the hood, E85. Well, shit, I'll just show y'all. I can show y'all better than I can tell y'all. First off, follow my Instagram. My YouTube is actually the same as this, cts_vegan. Let's take a look. See, got the E85. I got 1080 injector dynamics, fuel injectors, smaller upper pulley. I think it's a 2.55 upper pulley. Got a this is actually a D3 cold air intake, but I'm gonna probably go back with an air rate eventually, because the problem with these aluminum ones is that they hold heat. I gotta get another hose too. That's probably why the car is running kind of crazy. I actually switched this out right now, but yeah, I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna get an air rate. It has a full course exhaust. I'll go around to the back. So you got 20-inch Volsens. It's been dropped. Got the whole full D3 body kit. The course exhaust. Car's a little dirty. It's been raining out here. We'll get a wide shot. I had the car for about a year now, so we got like the basic bolt-on mods, nothing special. It's a real rowdy car though. I have stainless work, long tube headers. Let's see what else. I don't know, that might be pretty much it. It's basically most places. Oh, heat exchanger, I should say. Got the heat exchanger down there with the ice box. It's pretty much most places stage 1 kit. So it's probably putting out around, depending on the dyno, like on a dyno jet, it hit around 700 on a good day to the wheels. On the Mustang, it's about 620. So, you know, it's not that, nothing major. But today, I'm gonna go over to Boost Mode Racing. I'm gonna talk to the guys over there because I'm gonna see about getting my heads ported. Eventually, I'm gonna get my supercharger ported. Right now, like I said, I'm gonna do the heads. I'm gonna see about getting the custom grind cam as well, and I'm gonna see about getting my throttle body ported. So as of right now, I'm just taking baby steps. So we're gonna see about some heads. We're gonna see about getting the heads ported, and then you know, I'm gonna just talk to them a little bit, see what the shop is like. You know, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. But let me get this hose changed out real quick, because that's probably why the car is idling a little bit rough right now. So stay tuned.